Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is LY Jewelry and I'm Lorena, and I hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day. I know time went by so fast, I can't seem to keep track of time, but I'm back and I'd like to show you guys the best 5 items for the week. I have some nice Navajo jewelry. We got some bracelets, belt buckles. I have something else that's really nice for the guys. But first let me show you the let me show you one of the bracelets that we got for this week. This is a very nice Navajo cuff bracelet. It's made of sterling silver 925, and it has a beautiful turquoise stone. It's natural turquoise. It has beautiful colors, as you can see. It has a brown too, which complements the green color really nicely. It has some nice, nice shape. It's oval shape, and well, let's see, what's the type of stone? Well, it's a turquoise called Manassas turquoise, and it's natural. This is a brand new bracelet. Everything's new, as I mentioned before. New, all stock, never worn, and it's made by, it's from the Native American collection. It seems like it's signed. Let me turn it over so you guys can see. So it has the signature on the back. Usually has a stamp. For most of our jewelry comes with a stamp. Sterling 925. Sometimes it has the signature of the artist that made it. It's a really nice bracelet. It fits a wrist size between 5 to 6 inches, side to side inside bracelet. It's about 2.25 inches. Sorry, that's my. All right, Peter. The gap width is about 0.80 inches, and end-to-end measurement is about 5.25 inches. All right, so this is a beautiful Navajo bracelet. You can always wear for any day, any occasion. It would make a nice gift for the special someone. This one is, we have it priced at $178. The item number is 89. All right, so let me show you guys the next item. Let me show you a belt buckle. This is one of the popular ones. We have a lot of belt buckles, but I wanted to show you guys some of the ones that we have for this week. I have another one with a turquoise stone, and this one has a lot of coral stones. It's all natural stones too, made by the Navajo. This is what we call the Mediterranean coral belt buckle, 925 silver. It's really nice. It's made by the artist, or signed by the artist HC, circa 1980s. See these beautiful coral stones? As you can tell, it has a very nice, very deep color red. Beautiful color. This is for men's, and it's 1980s. The style would be a western buckle. And we have, let's see, it has a good weight. It weighs about 58.6 grams. And it fits a belt width of 1.5 inches. Really beautiful belt buckle with natural stones, Mediterranean coral stones. Let me show you the back. Or the side view too. It's a good size. It's not too big, not too small. It's a medium size. We're gonna have the measurements in the pictures when we when we add this to my website. So if you're interested in this one, just let me know and I can give you more information about the measurements. And on the back it has the signature, and yeah, it's a beautiful belt buckle. This will make a nice gift for your man, for your husband or boyfriend, or even your dad. The price is $590. The item number is 112. And these numbers are for the month of February. That's why I added That's why I drew a heart on the number, so you guys know that. Okay, so the next, let me show you the next item. It's another nice Navajo bracelet. Cuff bracelet, of course in 925 silver, with lots of beautiful stones. Has lots of onyx stones that are set all around the bracelet. It's a very stylish bracelet, very nice and elegant. We have a lot of stones, as you can see, all around the necklace, the cuff bracelet. It's so beautiful. It's natural onyx stones. And it has a good weight too. It weighs about 60 grams. This is signed by Jassy, by the artist Jassy, circa 1980s. Let me show you the side and the back. So it has a really nice design. I love this type of design on the edges of the bracelet, and it has a good size. It does fit a bit of a bigger wrist. Let's see, it fits a wrist size from about 5.75 or up to 6.75 inches. The side to side, let's see, side to side is about 2.5 inches. The gap between the side gap width is about 1.25 inches. End to end measurements is 6 inches. So these are just approximate measurements, just so you know, but you can always try one of these bracelets. And let me show you like this. It's a little bit large for me, but just want to show you how it would look like if worn. So it's a very good, great quality bracelet. This is all Navajo jewelry, authentic jewelry from the Navajo Native American collection. The price is $390. And the item number is 141. Okay, so let me show you guys the next one right here. Is another beautiful belt buckle by the Navajo in 925 sterling silver with a blue turquoise. Super nice too. Super clean. Of course, brand new. Let me show you guys up close. It's also signed by a very good artist called Tepe or Tepe. Well, it's spelled like T-E-P-E-E, T-E-P-E-E, and it's circa 1980s. It's a beautiful belt buckle with a very nice design all around it. It has so many nice details. Very nice, really good craftsmanship. And it has a very nice turquoise stone, natural stone. It's a very great quality belt buckle. Western buckle style, of course, and Southwest turquoise. This is the turquoise called Southwest turquoise. Let me show you the back really quick. So you can see the middle. This is where the signature is with the stamp. Beautiful, beautiful belt buckle. This is for the men's too, or if you like belt buckles too, as a woman, you can, of course, use something like this. And it's very well made. It's very beautifully designed, handmade belt buckle. It fits a belt width of 2 inches. It's about 2 inches for the belt. It weighs about 67.9 grams, almost 68 grams. Super nice. This would also make a great gift for that special someone. The price is $450. The item number is 105. So let me know if you like this one and we can get it ready for you. We sold a lot of Navajo jewelry last month, and well, I've been selling on my website like every week, but we had a great month on January, and some people have told us that they love the jewelry that we have. We appreciate it. We appreciate our new followers, and we have sold a lot of Navajo bracelets too. Navajo rings are very popular now. Let me show you the last item. This is a beautiful Navajo 920 silver, blue-green turquoise, Native American, artist circa 1980s. So it's really nice too. This is for a guy. And let me show you a little bit up close so you can see the details. So it has, I like the buckle because it has 3 turquoise stones on each side. Really nice turquoise stones, oval shape. And if you look at the details, the design on the buckle is really nice with these beautiful lines, very well, beautiful symmetry all around. It's very well made, very nice craftsmanship. Here we have another 3 turquoise stones. This is leather, real leather, and with, of course, solid silver, 925. Let me turn it over so you guys can see that. So it's so nice and, you know, elegant and simple. This would make a great gift too. It's called the Navajo Ranger buckle. That's actually the name. These are turquoise stones, natural stones from the 1980s. This belt buckle, but it's new and it's handmade. The fits a belt width of about 1 inch. It's about 1 inch long. The weight on this belt buckle is about 80, almost 84 grams. So it's very nice and solid. And it doesn't feel heavy, it feels pretty good. It's a good weight. This one is running for $590. The item number is 118. All right, guys, so, well, that's all the jewelry I have for this week. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys can subscribe to my channel. I hope you can give me a like and share with your friends or family or with anybody who would appreciate this jewelry. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to represent your love, commitment, and personality through jewelry. Thank you, guys. I appreciate my new subscribers. I'll be back soon. I hope you have a nice weekend or a nice day. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.